Hello everyone, welcome to Simply GIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to download SRTM DEM or DEM raster data from USGS Earth Explorer. You know, DEM or Digital Elevation Model is a type of raster data which shows the elevation profile of the Earth's surface. Each pixel in this raster data has digital number which represents the elevation on the ground in meters. Digital elevation model or DEM is widely used for mapping slope, aspect, hillshade, drainage density, watershed, etc. etc. And these maps are fundamental for terrain analysis, hydrological modeling, landscape studies, and environmental research. The common and widely used digital elevation model or DEM raster is SRTM DEM. The full form of SRTM is Shuttle Radar Topography Mission SRTM. It used radar technology to map the Earth topography, and the data is available in 1 arc second or 30-meter spatial resolution. The SRTM DEM is freely available in the USGS Earth Explorer website. For that, you can type USGS Earth Explorer in your Google address bar and click OK. Click on the first link that appears as Earth Explorer USGS.gov. Click it. So when you will click here, this kind of interface will come. You have to log in to this website for downloading the data. Let's click on the login. This is the sign in page. So I have my credentials already loaded here. If you don't have any account, you can create new account, or if you have existing account, you can fill the login credential and sign in with USGS password. So I am logged in. The first thing I will do, change this map interface. This map is like communication and political map. I want to make it world imagery. So you can change it as you like it. Then I will download DEM for New Delhi region. Okay. For that reason, you can search your area of interest by clicking in geocoder. Then from the drop down menu, change it address or place on Google. So this will appear, and type your address New Delhi and click on show. So all related search results will appear here. So this is the address New Delhi. I'm clicking on it. So you can see that landmark symbol has appeared here. So in this way you can search your area, or I'm clearing this coordinate, or you can go to your place which you know it. For example, this is Delhi. So I'm zooming over my study area and clicking on use maps. So you can see there is a rectangle appeared with my area of interest. Again, I'm clearing it, or you can also draw by yourself your area of interest. So this is Delhi. So I'm drawing the polygon around Delhi. Click, 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 click. So in this way, you can also draw your area of interest. So when my area of interest is set, either by searching the place or using the map or drawing the polygon. Now let's go to data set. And in data set, there is digital elevation. Expand this and you can see there are a lot of digital elevation data. At the bottom there is SRTM. So we will download SRTM. I'm clicking on the SRTM. So you can see SRTM 1 arc second global. I told you SRTM provides 1 arc second, that is 30-meter spatial resolution data. So just tick it, click on it, then click on the result. So here you can see The area I have chosen is covered by 4 tiles of the SRTM data. Let me tell you, SRTM was launched in 2000, in the year of 2000, and the data is available for 2014. As you know, digital elevation or land relief does not change much, so these missions were conducted only one time, and the data is available for that time. So if you're working on 2025, you don't need a DEM of 2025. You can use the DEM of 2024 because there is no such change that you need to use updated one. So there is a foot sign. With clicking on this foot, you can see the length and breadth of the, yeah, or cover area of the tile. I'm clicking on another foot also. So this is another footprint. This is another footprint. This is fourth footprint. Okay. So there are fourth tile. This tile covers the most area of my daily. So I am clicking on this. You can also check the image by clicking on this image area. So you can check that this is the DEM tile of this daily. Then you can see there is a download option. Okay, so in this download option, you have to click on this download option. Then a notice will appear. So download option, BIL arc second, DTAD, and GeoTIFF. So you know in GIS we use TIFF data, right? Raster TIFF data. So you have to download this GeoTIFF 1 arc second data. So just download it. Okay. Yeah, your data is being downloaded. You can see the data is downloaded. This is the N28 E077 1 arc second version 3 data. In this way, you can download DEM data. If you want to learn how to use this DEM data to create slope, aspect, hillshade, drainage network, drainage density, and delineate watershed, subscribe my channel and follow the notification. I will upload the related videos in subsequent time. Simply GIS is offering a 6-month basic remote sensing and GIS training course. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details course structure. This is a 6 months course. The classes will be held on Saturday and Sunday with flexible timing, and the classes will be online. You can register yourself and check out the detailed module of the course. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel Simply GIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.